Hello friends, as the time going on, we are using the technology for teaching and hosting the meetings. Zoom is one of the very popular app which is used by many people for taking the classes and hosting the meetings. Today I am going to discuss how to make your Zoom classes safer. Mostly we are doing the settings from our mobile devices or the Zoom client app which we are installing in our desktop, but you must visit to site of Zoom, that is www.zoom.us, which will help you to command over the settings better. For that, you first click on this www.zoom.us. When you will go in this site, you will find here sign in option, where you have to enter your email address and password. Suppose you have never visited there, so you have sign up and then you have to set the things, and afterwards when this main page home page will be open, you will find at your left side settings. You go to the settings, and after that you will get a long list of settings where many toggle buttons are there, blue colored button which can be on or off. You should do the settings as per your requirement here. I will suggest you some settings which will help you to control over the meeting, like waiting room. It should be always on. You should switch off join before the host, because sometimes it happens some people are joining before you and they are creating some nuisance in the meeting room. Second thing, only authenticated user can join meeting from web client. It should be on. Otherwise, unauthenticated people can join your meeting and they can do the things wrong. Mute participant upon entry. It must be done on, because when they are entering, sometimes they are not in the mood of meeting, so they must be muted at the beginning. Then chat should be on, but private chat should be off. Reason is that when you are teaching, then it may be possible the other end people will start their private chat and they should not focus on your things what you are going to present in front of them. File transfer, if you are not a professional, you must keep it off, otherwise people can misuse it, especially in the classroom teaching atmosphere. Who can share? Here host only should be chosen, because mostly here you are going to show them slides, videos or some other things. Other participants are not supposed to show the things, so it should be off. So only host can share here. It means annotation should be off. It means that whatever highlighting, underlining and all that things you are doing, that should be done by yourself only, not by other and people. Allow participant to rename. It should be off, because it may be possible sometimes some unauthenticated people will be entering your meeting room and they will rename their self according to the parallel name visible, and they can create some nuisance in your classroom. With these settings, maybe you will enjoy your Zoom classes very much. Thank you very much.